Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to change the clock settings by using the dashboard behind the steering wheel. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the arrows on your steering wheel. You can use the right arrow to highlight the settings. If you highlight settings, let's simply use the OK button to enter it. Then scroll down a few times until you see here the clock. So here I have clock, let's highlight clock and press it. So under clock you've got a few things that you can change. You can display clock right here. As you can see, this is the clock, and then you can change the clock mode from auto to manual or to time zone. I think the automatic is most useful one, so let me keep it that way. You can also check the clock format. So right now we are using 12-hour format, but we can change it to 24-hour format. We can also set up the summertime, but it will only be able if we change from auto to the time zone. If not, the car will automatically change the time when it's time to do this. So basically that's it. Now you just show the clock on your display. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider to leave a like. Bye.